Hello you guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, welcome to today's vlog. It is... I don't even know what day it is. I was meaning to start this vlog way earlier today, but I had a very stressful morning full of we don't even need to get to it. Anyways, I wanted to just take you along with my day today. I have a couple little fun things around the house that I wanted to do. We're just gonna have a fun vlog today, all right? I'm deciding, you know what, we're starting it now. We're having a fun, great day. I need to go head into the kitchen right now and make some breakfast. I have not eaten yet, which is so bad. Don't do this, kids. I normally literally eat first thing in the morning, but today is just one of those days. So we're having breakfast at 1 p.m. Do as I say, not as I do, kids. Welcome to this segment of Cooking with Cassie. I'm craving avocado toast because I am basic. So yeah, I just want avocado toast. I have it almost every morning, like pretty much every other basic bitch in this world, or who just lives in LA. So we're gonna make some. We're gonna need an avocado. Also gonna need some sourdough bread. We're gonna do some feta cheese, microgreens, pumpkin seeds, baby. All of these seasonings, which let's see if I can do it with one hand. Oh, and successful. I have a fun day planned for us today. I definitely want to clean out my closet because, girl, she needs it. I've been meaning to do it and I've just been putting it off. So that's what we're gonna do today. I definitely want to go get, this knife is dirty. That is, okay, that's gross. I definitely want to go get like coffee or a Celsius, maybe Starbucks. I don't know what I'm in the mood for, actually. I drink Celsius quite often. It's an energy drink if you guys don't know what it is. I'm addicted to it. I won't even lie. I love it so much, and I order cases of it on Amazon, and it's like a 12 pack. So you know that should last me quite a while, but yet I blink my eye and all of them are gone. Look at how cutie this avocado is. Does anybody else look at fruit and be like, wow, that's beautiful? That is the most ASMR sound ever. Also, I'm sorry you can't see what I'm doing. I'm just such a great vlogger. Wow, guys, that looks freaking delightful. I literally forgot the main ingredient. This is what makes this avocado toast just slaps, okay? Hot and sweet pepper jelly from Trader Joe's. I am literally in love with this jelly. I think I'm gonna marry it one day, honestly. I just spread her on before I put on my avocado, and it just makes it 10 times better. I switched up the angles a little bit here because I want you guys to see. I feel like this is not even like avocado toast. It's literally like toast and guacamole at this point. I'm gonna put on some pumpkin seeds. I like adding pumpkin seeds for like a little bit of extra protein. Put a little few chunks on there. And last but not least, we're gonna add on some little microgreens. There's literally dirt on that piece. That's all right. Okay, she is beauty, she is grace. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm gonna eat this now. Catch up with you guys after I gorge myself. Just finished breakfast. I feel so much freaking better now. I needed that. So anyways, Evie. Hey boo, hey boo. She said, girl, bye. She said, girl, I don't want your attention right now. Hi, Rex. He also doesn't want my attention right now. Okay. I think I'm gonna go run quickly to Duncan. I feel like I need like a drink or something to get me motivated and started for the day. Again, using excuses to not do things. Anyway, so let's go get Duncan. Before I leave, I need to get my cat Kiki inside because I just leave the door open normally for them all day so they can hang out. Kiki! I think she's in my neighbor's yard. Let's see, she's gonna come. Oh, there you are. Hey girl. Good girl, Kiki. Wallet, keys, let's bounce. Okay, let's buckle up. Freezing, oh my god. So cold though in LA recently. I don't know what it is. I've been freezing and I'm not here for it. Granted, like I could maybe put a jacket on. That would cure my problems, but will I? No. Do have their pink velvet iced macchiato though. I kind of want to try it. It's like a Valentine's Day drink. All right, I think I'm gonna get a small of that. I'm gonna get it for the video. I'm gonna treat myself, and I'll also get a medium refresher just in case I don't like this. Orders placed. Blast out of here, ladies and gentlemen. It's 2 p.m. and we're just getting the day started, but you know what? That's fine. I feel like, especially because of quarantine, people feel the need to be so productive constantly every single day, 24/7, and it's fine if we don't have extremely productive days every single day. You You know what? I'm still getting things done today. I already worked a little bit this morning, so I think it's fine that I'm in. Dog! Sorry, there was a really cute dog. I think we all need to be a little bit kinder to each other and ourselves about that. Oh my god, you guys. If you guys know, I have a tattoo on my forearm that says 444, which is my angel number. If you guys don't know what those are, Google it, okay? Just Google it. It's all about manifestation in the universe. The car that was right in front of me had 444 on their license plate. I feel like I see that all the time, and it just makes me so happy, and I just feel like my life is like on track, if you know what I mean. Just wanted to share with the class. There's my little 444. We love her. All right. That one's no need to be aggressive, sir. I'm gonna park right there because there's a bunch of men standing and I don't want to park next to them because that is uncomfortable. I have this Living Cool mask, and if you guys know, the creator, it just came out that he is literally a predator of young women, so I literally hate him. I can't believe I purchased stuff from him. I wear it inside out now, so I can still have my cute mask and not be supporting a predator. So anyways, let's go get our coffee. Sanitize up, baby. Be wise and sanitize, kids and elderlies and anti-maskers and people who don't believe in coronavirus. Ah, this is what I needed. This is literally the boost of serotonin that I needed. You guys, Evie is so cute. Do you see her looking at me through the window? Hi, my children. I love you. Hi, queen. Hi, king. Hey, girl, what's good? All of my cats are sitting on the couch right now with me, and it just makes me so happy. Serotonin. Anyways, got back from Duncan, got both of my drinks because I'm literally so extra. We have our pink velvet macchiato. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to mix it up, which definitely makes it not cute and pink anymore. Let's try it. Okay, I definitely got straight like espresso in that. She needs to be mixed more, Miss Mama. I feel like it just tastes like normal coffee. It's good, I don't know. Let's get a little bit put together and then we're gonna clean out my closet, fam. Let's do it. Cheers. And I have makeup on, kind of. I just did a nice little light makeup. I feel like I look like an egg right now. Anyway, I don't want to change into like a cuter sweat set. Yum. Oh my god. I put an outfit on. It's honestly just so ruined because the freaking owner is a predator. I cannot support them anymore, but you know what? Like, I already have purchased these, so fuck it, screw it. It is what it is, all right? I liked this look because it matches my Duncan, and that's why I went with it, okay? Evie, what are you doing? Come here. Come downstairs. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, little lady. Let's get moving and grooving. We got some cleaning to do. Good girl. Honestly, this cat is a freaking dog. I'm obsessed with her and she's obsessed with me. Here is my closet. Okay, so this is extremely extra, I know, and it sounds just so privileged and but I have this closet, and this is more just like my loungewear. I have pants down here. I have my day-to-day tops and like sweats. And then upstairs I have more of like things that I wear for photo shoots or like events. I have dresses upstairs, matching outfits. It's just problematic, okay? Let's just go through down here. It's also quite a freaking mess right now. Whole pile of clothing that's just sitting here that I need to handle. Things are falling out of their order. She needs some help, all right? As you can see though, my pants are like overflowing. I definitely need to go through them. These are all little tops that I just don't know what to do with. Like, this cannot really fit on a hanger. I guess it could. The things that stress me out in life, all right, first world problems. I like to color coordinate pretty much everything in my closet. I just need to go through and decide like what pants I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, and it's just such a hard question. Oh my god, here's more tops. I need help. I feel like, especially this past year, I've been really trying to be better about what clothing I'm consuming, because there's just no point when I'm sitting at home most of the time and not doing anything. I just don't need that amount of clothing. I've been also so much more picky about the items that I actually like want to keep in my life. A lot of times I would just get clothing to basically wear in an Instagram photo, and then it would just sit in my closet until I got rid of it, which is so bad, so unsustainable, and I've really been better at that. So yeah, look at how cute this is. Isn't it cutie? I love it. Okay, I have too many clothes. And that is the moral of the story, baby. Okay, so we reorganized my pants. You're blocking the light.
I'm so sorry. Is that better? I'm just being a supportive boyfriend. I'm eating snacks and watching.
Alright, that's kind of fun. Reorganized my pants down there. Up in these sections, I have an ungodly amount of sweat sets. They're all literally such a mess. So I need to fix that. Brain, beater, brain, brain. So Taco Bell sent me this sauce packet sweat set and I truly love it so much, but I feel like I just am not gonna wear this that often. I don't want to get rid of it though because it's freaking Taco Bell. See, this is my problem. This is my problem. I can't let anything go because I have an emotional attachment to it. I don't know what deep therapy session that I need to talk about why I can't get rid of my clothes, but better call my therapist at this point. So I've made a lot of progress. We have lots of room, lots of empty space now. Here is the other side of my closet. Down here I have like newer items that I want to wear, t-shirts. Up here is like a Mod Podge mix of just different tops. So it's actually the next day. I'm so sorry I was so awful at vlogging yesterday. I did want to finish cleaning out my closet though. I pretty much finished down here, so that is all good. I just have to go upstairs and go through my dresses. Evie! Hello, queen. How are you? Her just glistening in the sun. Also, I did get another Duncan today because I am addicted. We're gonna head upstairs. Got my tripod. And here we are. So this is the current state of my closet up here. If you guys watched my loft makeover, you know where we are. You know what's good. Here is my closet. I have a lot of stuff on the ground right now that just needs to be reorganized, honestly. Here's a bunch of bags that I've been meaning to put away. I have my skirts right here. Dresses are here. And then over here is more of like my fancier sets and stuff for events. In this drawer, I have lots of like hats, different accessories. And then I just recently cleared out this drawer and this drawer. Oh! I lied. And then in here I have my bag drawer where I keep all my bags and purses and stuff, but definitely need to clear through this as well. Thumbnail. I think I'm gonna start off with my dresses. I rarely ever wear dresses anymore. I also, again, feel like my style has changed so much, and truly because of Miss Rona, I have not been able to really wear a lot of my clothes. And I feel like it's just better to just start fresh. Let's get to it. This dress literally has stains all over it, and I think it's because I wore this in Vegas and it was a messy night. That is embarrassing. So that just cleared up that much space, which is so great. We love that. On to this section. This is just a no. Like, why did I like this? I don't know, okay? Mr. Tin Man over here. All right, y'all, here she is. It looks so much better. I hung up all my bags that were sitting on the floor. So this is the pile of clothes that I just went through. Please ignore all of this mess. This is little clothing racks that I also need to build, but holy cow, I got rid of so many things. I feel so much better. That was definitely something that I had on my to-do list that I needed to do for so long, so I'm so glad that I'm gonna be able to sell those. Probably gonna sell those to Wasteland or maybe on Depop, we'll see about that. But anyways, feels so much better that we got that done. Just wanted to end off this vlog, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Definitely get ready for some more vlogs. I'm so excited to be sharing more of my life with you guys, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bigger than a hug, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Peace out!